Hey there, viewers. No single food can provide all the nutrients that your body needs. That is why you need to eat a wide variety of foods in the right amounts to meet your daily nutritional needs. But eating healthier, balanced meals does not have to be complicated. The Healthy Eating Plate summarizes the best evidence-based dietary information available today. As nutrition researchers are continually discovering valuable information on the Healthy Eating Plate, created by the Department of Nutrition at Harvard School of Public Health, as your guides for choosing a healthy diet and balanced meals, whether served at the table or packed in a lunch box. To get started, by following this Healthy Eating Plate, you can see what a healthier. Number 1. Building a healthy and balanced diet. In this section, we have got 6 easy tips as following. 1. Half plate of vegetables and fruits. Aim for color and variety, and remember that potatoes don't count as vegetables on the Healthy Eating Plate because of their negative impact on blood sugar. Fruit and vegetables not only add beautiful colors, interesting textures and delicious flavors to our meals, they also provide unique nutrients and health benefits. 2. Quarter plate of whole grains. Whole and intact grains, whole wheat, barley, wheat berries, quinoa, oats, brown rice, and foods made with them, such as whole wheat pasta, have a milder effect on blood sugar and insulin than white bread, white rice, and other refined grains. 3. Quarter plate of protein. Fish, poultry, beans, and nuts are all healthy, versatile protein sources. They can be mixed into salads and pair well with vegetables on a plate. Limit red meat and avoid processed meats such as bacon and sausage. 4. Healthy plant oils. In moderation. Choose healthy vegetable oils like olive, canola, soy, corn, sunflower, peanut, and others, and avoid partially hydrogenated oils, which contain unhealthy trans fats. Remember that low fat does not mean healthy. 5. Drink water, coffee, or tea. Skip sugary drinks, limit milk and dairy products to 1 to 2 servings per day, and limit juice to a small glass per day. 6. Stay active. The red figure running across the Healthy Eating Plate's placemat is a reminder that staying active is also important in weight control. Number 2. The main message of the Healthy Eating Plate is to focus on diet quality. In this section, we have got 3 main advices that we have already shown in a previous recently video. 1. Type of carbohydrate, carbs. The type of carbohydrate in the diet is more important than the amount of carbohydrate in the diet, because some sources of carbohydrate like vegetables, other than potatoes, fruits, whole grains, and beans are healthier than others. 2. Avoid sugary beverages. The Healthy Eating Plate also advises consumers to avoid sugary beverages, a major source of calories usually with little nutritional value in the American diet. And 3. Using healthy oils. The Healthy Eating Plate encourages consumers to use healthy oils, and it does not set a maximum on the percentage of calories people should get each day from healthy sources of fat. In this way, the Healthy Eating Plate recommends the opposite of the low-fat message promoted for decades by the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA. Alright, that's all now. Eat healthy. Look healthy. Feel healthy. Right? Of course, if you prefer with all these tips, you may put them into diet. Please hit like and subscribe this channel in order to ensure that you won't miss any videos. Thanks for watching this video from the beginning till end.